In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a picture in PowerPoint while keeping its size, crop, and effects intact. Whether you're updating a presentation with fresh images or simply swapping out older ones, this tutorial will guide you through the process efficiently and effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop, so go ahead and locate the PowerPoint icon, typically found in your Applications or Start menu, and give it a click. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. From here, you can opt to open an existing presentation, maybe something you're already working on, or start fresh with a new one. To open an existing document, use the File tab, choose Open, and then navigate to your desired presentation. If you prefer starting a new document, simply select New from the same File tab. Once your presentation is open and ready to be edited, identify the image you wish to replace. Click directly on this picture to select it. You'll notice small handles appear on its edges, confirming that the image is now active and ready for editing. With your picture selected, navigate to the top of the window where you'll find the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. This specialized toolbar offers many options tailored for handling images. Once you're in the Picture Format tab, keep an eye out for the Change Picture button. It's usually located toward the left end of the ribbon. Click on it, and a small menu will appear, giving you options to choose a new picture from your device, stock images, or even an online source. For our purposes, we'll focus on selecting a picture from your local files. Now it's time to choose a replacement image. Click on From a File, which will open your file browser window. Navigate through your folders to find the new image you want to use, select it, and confirm your choice by clicking the Insert button. By doing this, PowerPoint will swap out the old image with the new one in the exact same spot, cleverly retaining its size, any cropping adjustments, and special effects you've applied. Occasionally, you might find that the new image has different dimensions or looks slightly off. If this happens, don't worry. You can easily make manual adjustments by using the same handles around the picture's perimeter to resize or reposition it as needed, ensuring it fits perfectly within your slide. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced an image in PowerPoint while maintaining its size, crop, and all effects. This technique is a real time saver, especially when you want to keep your presentations consistent and professional without the hassle of re-editing each image from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.